I just can't let you go. Lord knows that I've tried to. You said I was the only one. No one likes being lied to. You made this mess and left me with the pieces. Now I wanna burn all the bridges between us. I can't focus.
So this was supposed to be a weekend of getting my life together, my house organized, myself organized, and it's Saturday at noon and that hasn't happened. So I still have big plans to make that happen, but it hasn't happened yet. The only thing I've done is clean off my vanity, and I think that's it. I don't think I've done anything else. So I wanted to clean out my closet and get new like organizers and stuff, and probably okay, great. And like feed my cats because they're fat and they need food. Hold please. Come on. I just did cardio, which is like something, you know. I'm finally back into working out. I'm still working out at home instead of going to the gym because I had COVID and I'm just not ready to go back to the gym yet. Oh my god. Okay, great. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do today. I also organized, we're getting this like pantry thing tomorrow. It's not a pantry, it's like a cart, but I got these bins and naturally they're in a horrible place, but I got these little bins to put in them. So I organized these yesterday and they just have like different snacks in them, and then hopefully this stuff will also go in it and hopefully the stuff in the top cabinet, but if not, at the very least I'm happy that I can get some of that stuff out. But yeah, that's the plan today. But first I'm gonna eat and then put laundry in the what is that thing called, the washing machine. So that I can have clean clothes because I don't have any. So that's what this is supposed to be, but I have been unsuccessful thus far.
Forget, I've been thinking too much lately. I just need to clear my head. I just need to clear my head. I've been stuck on your memory, but it's not like I need it.
Keep in mind that my sense of taste is skewed, but I tried the new cookies and cream Fit Snacks from Lonnie New. They were really good. My favorite part of this was Munchies. I love their Munchie flavored protein bars, but these are really good. I want to get their protein shakes, but GNC is out of stock online. Vitamin Shop is out of stock online. The Vitamin Shop near me has like a few in stock, and I don't know if they mean a few bottles or a few cases, because normally Vitamin Shop and GNC let you like just take one bottle instead of a whole case. So in an ideal world, that's what I would do, but anyway, yeah, I don't know. But I would really like to try it because I think it would be really good in coffee, and I like the Fairlife protein shakes. These are so good, so I feel like I'd really like the Lonnie ones. But who knows? I don't know. I can't
May
get
have some history, but we don't have to repeat it. You made this mess and left me with the pieces. Now I'm gonna burn all the bridges between us. I can't focus, I can't forget. I've been thinking too much lately. I just need to clear I just can't let you go. Lord knows that I've tried to. You said I was the only one. No one likes being lied to. You made this mess and left me with the pieces. Now I wanna burn all the bridges between us. I can't focus, I can't forget. I've been thinking too much lately. I just need to clear my head.
This is what I've been dreading all weekend. The whole point of this was so I would motivate myself to organize my closet, and I haven't. So now we're going to do that. I have a method in my head, but we'll see if it works. But let me just show you what we're working with. Okay, so I purchased this for, hello, is it going to focus? For activewear, tank tops, underwear, and stuff like that, because I don't have a dresser and there's not really room for a dresser. And then this is my closet. I need to get rid of stuff, and I did this a little bit ago, and I just don't think I got rid of enough stuff. I have stuff shoved in that corner that I bought that doesn't fit me anymore. I have stuff here that needs to go. All of my activewear is in that bin. All of that bin is like Poshmark stuff and other stuff. There's even clothes in there that I could honestly get rid of. And then like my underwear and stuff is in there, and then more activewear in there. So I don't know if I'm going to get this all done, but I'm really going to try. I figure the best place to start is moving out the top tub, which is all my activewear, putting it in here, and then moving out all of my underwear and stuff and putting that in here, and then going through that and deciding what I'm going to keep and what I'm going to get rid of. Because I just figure that will like at least clear up some space, and then we'll get to the stuff that's hung up.
I just need to clear my head. I've been stuck on your memory, but it's not like I need it. And we may have some history, but we don't have to repeat it. You made this mess and left me with the pieces. Now I'm gonna burn all the bridges between us. I can't focus, I can't forget. I've been thinking too much lately. I just need to clear my head. 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 I just need to. I just need to clear my head. I just need to. I just need to clear my head. I just need to. I just need to clear my head. I just need to. I just need to clear my head. Can't get focused. I can't.
Okay. I'm getting a headache. So I don't know. I mean, it looks better. I reorganized it a little bit. I got rid of some stuff, and then I put some stuff in there. If you're wondering what that is, I have a Poshmark where I sell clothes. I'll link it down below. I sell lightly used clothes, lightly used makeup, and yeah. But I am getting out of breath. I'm getting a severe headache. So I don't know. I'm proud of. There's been progress, you know. I did the best I could, you know. just, I could have done better, but I didn't. I just didn't. So we're gonna organize more tomorrow because I'm getting my pantry in. So I know the lighting sucks. Actually, let me see if. So we did end up getting the little, I call it a pantry. It's not a pantry. It's just like somewhere where you can like store food and stuff. But it turned out really well because I didn't think there was going to be enough space between that and the top for my coffee maker. And there was. So because there was enough room for that, I could put, or my husband did all this, put like the knives and stuff over here, which were originally over here. And so now we have a place for all my Andina presents. Oh man, I wish I was kidding. So we have a space right there. So this turned out really well. I do still want to move some stuff over here because as you can see, the top of our fridge is just like a disaster. But this is nice. This actually clears up so much space because all that stuff did, like, we had to try to fit that in this space right here, which like there is no space. And also we have one cabinet up there and one up here, and like that one is full, and I can't even show you that one because that one is also full. So this is great. We got a lot of stuff done. Love it. This wasn't like, hold on, I need like something to put you on. This wasn't the best vlog ever. You know, I've never vlogged before. I never really had the capability to. This like lighting is horrible. But regardless, let me know if you liked this style of video at least. This is my first vlog of 2020. I would like to do weekend vlogs, but I mean, my life isn't very interesting, so take that information with what you will. But I would still love to do them. So yeah, my goal for 2020 is to be more consistent. So don't hold me to it, but I'm trying. So oh, I got new hair. Can you see? Probably can't see at all. That's okay. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
Shining. When I let me, baby, don't you see I'm shining?